Hi there, I'm Matt Sussman with New Voice Learning. We want to help you achieve English conversational fluency. Let me show you how Flow works and how it can help you reach your goals to improve your English speaking skills. After you sign in, this is the first screen you will see. It's called This Week. It's personalized with your name and it shows the week from Monday to Sunday. Every week you will get 6 practice lessons. To improve at speaking English, it's very important that you do at least one lesson every day. But we know that you're busy, so that's why we made the lessons short, just 3 to 7 minutes. There are 3 types of lessons. There are vocabulary lessons that teach you the real English we use every day in the United States. There are conversation lessons that help you build the skills of talking to other people. And there are idea lessons that help you practice speaking and thinking at the same time so you can easily share your thoughts with other people. All right, let's check out the team player lesson. This vocabulary lesson begins with an explanation of what team player means. You can read it or listen to it by clicking on the icon. This is the first instruction, so I will click on this.
First, practice speaking the term. Say, team player.
The first instruction is to repeat the words. When you do this, you internalize the meaning, you listen to the native speaker, and that allows you to copy the sounds with your mouth. When you're ready, you can click here to record your response. I will click one time, team player. Click a second time to end the response. It's being processed and converted into text, and I'll get a score. Clicking on the score, you'll see the breakdown. Here in green means that I said the words correctly. If this were yellow or red, that would mean I had made a mistake. You can go back and redo your response over and over. This is a very powerful feature to help you hone your speaking ability. When you do your responses over and over, try to get a score over 70% consistently. Now, when you're ready to proceed, you can click the next button at your own pace. When the lesson ends, you can go back to the This Week screen, and on your lesson card, a complete mark will show up, and the weekly goal goes forward 1 notch. After you've finished all 6 lessons, the weekly goal will completely fill up. Great job! Now, if you want to improve even more, you can go to the Explore tab and do more lessons. There are hundreds of lessons in this area for casual and professional settings. So in summary, to achieve English conversational fluency, you should do at least 1 lesson every day. 2, you should do your responses over and over again until you consistently get above 70% scores. And 3, after you've finished all your weekly lessons, go to the Explore tab to do more. There is no cost to practice doing some of these lessons, so jump right in and get started. Welcome to the Flow community.